Ready? Start. The appellants were initially appointed as constables in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Full stop. Pursuant to an advertisement issued for filling up the posts of constable drivers, the appellants participated in the selection test. Full stop. They were selected and on completion of training they were appointed as constable drivers. Full stop. Seniority list of constable drivers was prepared on 14/5/2015. Full stop. Para. In supersession of government orders, the state government in exercise of the power under section 2 read with section 46(11) of the Police Act 1861 framed Uttar Pradesh Police Motor Transport Unit Subordinate Officers Service Rules, 2015. Hereinafter the 2015 rules to govern the selection, promotion, training, appointment, merit, etc. Full stop, and other conditions of service of the motor transport unit of the police department. Full stop. Posts of inspector, motor transport, sub inspector, motor transport, head constable, motor transport, constable driver and head constable driver constitute the cadre of motor transport subordinate service. Full stop. The post of head constable driver motor transport according to the 2015 rules, shall be filled up by selection from amongst head constable drivers and constable drivers. Full stop. Agreed by the rules introducing the selection for appointment to the post of head constable motor transport, the appellants filed a writ petition in the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad. Full stop. By a judgment dated 24/10/2017, the High Court dismissed the writ petition. Full stop. Dissatisfied with the judgment of the High Court, the appellants are before this court. Full stop. Para. Mr. V. Sekhar, learned senior counsel appearing for the appellant, submitted that the vertical mobility of constable drivers is by promotion as head constable motor transport and thereafter, sub inspector and inspector motor transport on the basis of seniority. Full stop. The appellants who were initially recruited as police constables went through a selection process for being appointed as constable drivers. Full stop. Introduction of another selection process for the purpose of being appointed as head constable motor transport by making constable drivers and head constable drivers eligible for consideration is arbitrary and violative of Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India. Full stop. He submitted that the appellants have been stagnating in the post of constable drivers for a long period of time. Full stop. Para. Miss Garima Prasad, learned counsel appearing for the respondent state of Uttar Pradesh, argued that the post of constable driver is a technical post and the posts of head constable motor transport, sub inspector motor transport and inspector motor transport are highly technical. Full stop. She contended that a constable has to go through a process of selection to become a constable driver. Full stop. The address the stagnation of the constable drivers, several posts of head constable drivers have been created. Full stop. Para. However, for being appointed to the post of head constable motor transport, constable drivers and head constable drivers who are eligible to be considered are required to go through a process of selection. Full stop. Thereafter, they will be entitled to be considered for promotion as sub inspector motor transport and inspector motor transport on the basis of seniority. Full stop. She argued that there are 12,000 posts of constable drivers at present. Full stop. 2,498 posts of head constable drivers have been created, to which constable drivers are eligible for promotion on the basis of seniority.